Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10V, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down right away to access Privacy. Now select App Permissions over here and then tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. In my case, photos and videos. Now tap on one of your apps. I will go with from Not Allowed section and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. In this case, allow or don't allow. I will apply allow, so when I click and go back, icons that Chrome just gained access to my photos and videos. But you can always pick any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go into Camera to access my messages. Now, instead of picking one of those options, click on See All Messages Permissions and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!